I'm going to present my evidence tree of contemporary world. Here we can see two important events of these three different decades. So the first event is Nelson Mandela from prisoner to president of South Africa. And the second event in this decade is the terrorist attack on the World Trade Center. In the 2000s, the first crew on a spaceship that was going to the International Space Station, and the terrorist attacks of the 9/11 in the Twin Towers in New York. In the 2010s, the Fukushima nuclear accident that was the most important, most important accident in Japan in history, and the Ebola outbreak in Africa. The description of these terms is globalization. Globalization is a process of integration of economies, people, information, or cultures across the globe by interaction. Terrorism is certain violent acts that cause fear among people, especially civilians, with a political objective. Unipolar world. Unipolarity in international politics is a distribution of power in which one state exercises the most of the cultural, economic, and military influence. And the digital era, is the historical period characterized by the existence of digital technology. And here we can see the relation with the terms. The first term I relationed it with globalization, the second with terrorism, the third with globalization and digital era, the fourth with the terrorist attacks of 9/11, it was terrorism, the Fukushima nuclear accident with globalization, and the Ebola outbreak in Africa with globalization too. And here we have the questions. Why did the globalization emerge? Need to exchange goods, culture, and economy, as well as the acceptance of the same. In most cases, what caused the terrorist attacks of 20th century? Due the differences that countries have in politics, revenge, religion, as well as differences in the economy. How does the end of the Cold War relate with the unipolar world? It is related because the USSR was a unipolar state, and when the war ended, the USSR dissolved. A unipolar state ceased to exist in some way. How has the digital era influenced in today's society? Because it facilitates many things for us, technology is created and improved to find an easier and more innovative way of doing things. And here are my APA references, and this was my presentation, my evidence tree of contemporary world.